Good day. Now, I'm discussing Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Chapter 1 is the introduction to forensic chemistry. It is the application of chemical theories in solving legal forms or legal problems. Forensic chemistry kuno nag-apply siya ng science and technology to investigate or para investigahan or para ma-establish niya ang fact sa isa ka krimen. While forensic comes from the Latin word forensis, which means forum. When we say forum, it is a place that we gathered information or sharing of thoughts. In Locard principle, Locard succeeded in setting up the first police laboratory in Lyon, France. Si Locard kuno ang primero nagtukod ng police laboratory in Lyon, France. While Orfila is the father of modern toxicology. When we say toxicology, it studies on poisons or toxic substances. While Francis Galton established the publication of first scientific book of fingerprinting. He also introduced the three fingerprint patterns, the loop, whirl, and arches. He also the functions of next is the functions of a forensic chemist. Forensic chemist conducts examination of explosive and or explosive ingredients. Nagconduct sa kuno dyan ng examination sa mga explosives na mga butang like bombs. Then next, nag-conduct examination for gunpowder of clothing to verify possible gunshot distance. Dire isa, nag-conduct dyan ng examination sa gunpowder sa posible sa distansya ng ija pagpusil. Ug sunod, nag-conduct po siya ng blood alcohol determination. Nag-examine siya ng fake products in case of unfair trade competition. Diri siya investigahan gadud niya ang mga piki ng mga produkto, mostly kasagaran mga palusot or mga illegal products. Next, the golden rules in practice of forensic chemistry. Go slowly, be thorough, take notes, consult others, use imagination, avoid complicated theories. Sa go slowly, kinahanglan maghinay-hinay ra gyud ka pag kuanan imo pag-investigate, while sa be thorough, be careful on gathering details and always take notes. Consult others, use imagination, and avoid complicated theories. Next is chapter 2, which is physical evidence. Physical evidence refers to any material object introduced in a trial for the purpose of proving a fact in issue based on its demonstrable physical characteristic. Physical evidence kuno nag-prove siya ng fact sa korte, or physical evidence refers to any material object na makita nimo siya sa crime scene na makadetail sa suspect. Sa trace evidence are mostly constitute the most common type of physical evidence, which is investigator and or crime scene specialist is likely to encounter. Trace evidence refers to microscopic materials found out at a crime scene, such as hair, blood, glass particles, foot, tire impression, fiber, or paint, to name a few. Sa trace evidence kuno, kasagaran makuha nimo siya sa crime scene, mga nangabilin sa pagkuha ng krimen, like buhok sa suspect or sa victim, blood, mga ini glass particles, or mostly mga foot trace like mga inagihan sa chanilas, sapatos, kaya ni siya ma-detect. That's all. Thank you.